Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The topic which we'll cover today is light. Now, what is light? It is a form of energy, right? What does it do? It makes the thing visible. It is the light because of which we can see different things. How? Let us consider if it is an object. Whenever light falls on this object, this light is reflected to our eyes. ठीक है? It gets reflected to our eyes, because of which this object gets visible. We can see this object. ठीक है? Light seems to travel in straight line. But it exhibits both the nature particle or wave. It acts like both. It acts like a particle and a wave. ठीक है? Now we will talk about some terms related to light. First is ray of light. Light traveling in one direction in straight line. Light which travels in a particular direction in a straight line. This is called a ray of light. This single ray is called a ray of light. Now what is second term is beam. A beam is a bunch of rays of light. This is a bunch of rays of light, then it is called a beam. If we are talking about a single ray, single straight line path of a light, then it is called a ray of light. And if we are talking about the number of ray of light, then it is called beam. Third, whenever the ray of light travel parallel to each other, then it is called parallel beam of light. Right? The light exhibits various phenomena. The first phenomena which we will cover here is reflection of light. Now, what is reflection of light? Whenever light strikes a surface, it bounces back. This phenomena is called reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Whenever light strikes a surface, it bounces back. This process is called reflection of light. If we consider this as a surface and a ray of light, it's striking the surface at this point, then it gets reflected. Right? It bounces back. Okay. this ray, the light striking the surface before reflection, is called incident ray. And the ray which gets reflected is called reflected ray. This reflection of light has some laws. First law is angle of incidence and angle of reflection is always equal, and I is equals to R. I is angle of incidence, which will always be equals to angle of reflection. Okay? If this is a surface and a ray strikes it here, then this angle will always be equals to this angle. Right? And the second law states that incident ray, normal, and reflected ray lies on same plane. All these three rays lies on the same plane. Okay? Whenever light gets reflected, it always follow these two rules. Okay? Now we will study reflection of light by a plane mirror. Okay? If we consider this as a plane mirror, this is the polish done behind a mirror. Okay? And if an object is placed here, now the light striking the plane mirror at 90 degrees gets reflected back following the same path. Right? Now the ray of light striking this surface at any angle theta will get reflected by making the same angle. This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Now, by extending these two rays we can see that both the rays meet at this point and the image is formed. The distance of both the images will be from the mirror will be same. Right? Whenever a plane mirror forms an object, it forms at the same distance. Okay? Now, we will study some properties of this image. First is the image of this object will be of same size. Same size image as that of object. Second, the image will be at the same distance from the mirror as the object is. Right? The distance between the mirror and the object will be same as that of image. Image distance will be equal to object distance. This image will be erect and virtual. Erect means seedhi, straight. This image will have lateral inversion. This image will be laterally inverted. And now what is lateral inversion? Lateral inversion is an effect which is produced by a plate mirror. Okay? It reverses the image. Reverses means for image, left and right side gets reversed. Okay? Left and right side is reversed. We see this lateral inversion effect whenever we see ourselves in the mirror. When we see ourselves in the mirror, our left side becomes the right side of our image. Right? We will do a reflection by spherical mirror in our next video. If you have found this video helpful, like and share it with your friends. If you have any doubt regarding any topic, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel.